Hi everyone, my name is Praveen Kumar. Today we're going to learn about Spanish language. So before starting the Spanish language, I would like to discuss about why should we learn Spanish. So actually in India there are multiple languages like Hindi, Telugu, Malayalam, Urdu, Kannada, Bengali, so many languages. So also we have learning about foreign languages like English, French, Spanish, German. So in nowadays we're getting a lot of demand for these kind of languages. So why these languages are getting much demand? So what is the reason behind it? The only reason behind it it has more potential for in the corporate industry or else in the business industry or whatever the field you are in. So whichever field you're in, whether you're a doctor, whether you're an engineer or an IT professional, these foreign languages will definitely add you an beneficial to your resume. So now let's start about Spanish language. So basically we're starting about from basic level. So basic level to the constructing level of a statements. Now we're going to see about Spanish alphabet. Usually English alphabet we have 26 letters. However, in Spanish we have 30 letters. So now let's see what are those letters. Now we are going to learn about Spanish alphabet. Now I will let you know the simple trick to learn about Spanish alphabet. First we'll learn about we'll write English alphabet, that is 26 letters. Then we will convert this 26 letters to 30 letters. So now we're going to write about English alphabet like A to Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So these are 26 letters in English. Now let's see the 30 letters in Spanish. After C, so there is a letter called CH. After N, there is a letter Nya. So there is a tilde symbol on N. So actually it is this letter. So there will be a tilde symbol on N. This is pronounced as Nya. Okay, and after L there will be a double L, L. Double L. After R there is a double R. So in English we have 26 letters. So with this 26 we have CH, double L, Nya and double R. So now we're gonna see how do we pronounce these letters. Okay, so in English 26 letters, in Spanish there are 30 letters. The special characters in Spanish are CH, double L, Nya and double R. Now let's see the pronunciation of these letters. Okay, in English it is A. However, in Spanish it is A. A. B. C. Ch. D. E is pronounced as A. Is A. F. F-A. G. Hey. H. Ache. I is pronounced as E. J is pronounced as Hota. Hota. K. LA. LA, its double L is pronounced as Y or J. This double L will be pronounced as Y or J. This MA. N. NA. This tilt symbol of N is called Nya. 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 O is O. P is P. Q. Array. Array. Essay. Te. U. And V can be pronounced as Ve or Be. Ve or Be. Mostly they'll pronounced as Be. In few countries they'll pronounced as Ve. In few countries they'll pronounced as Be. Most of the countries they as Be. And W, uve doble, uve doble. X, X is X. Y is Y, Y. Ega. Z is Seta. So now we'll just revise all those things. A, Be, Se, Che, De, E, Fe, He, Ache, E, Hota, K, LA, A, MA, NA, NA, O, P, Q, R, R, S, T, U, V or B, UV doble, X, Y, Zeta. So this is about pronunciation of Spanish alphabet. Now I'm going to tell you some important rules in this alphabet pronunciation. H is always silent in Spanish. So H is silent. And J is pronounced as H in Spanish. Okay, J is pronounced as H. So H is silent and E is A. I pronounced as E. A is A. And this double L is pronounced as Y or J. And this is Ñ. So these are very important pronunciations in Spanish. Okay. This is about Spanish alphabet. In this first episode, we'll learn about Spanish alphabet and the difference between English alphabet and Spanish alphabet, and also we'll learn about the pronunciation of Spanish alphabet. In the next episode, we'll come up with a new topic in Spanish. Thank you so much. My name is Praveen Kumar. I'm signing off.